Hello, welcome to Great Garden. The Amish are well known for their natural gardening methods that rely very little on chemical fertilizers. Recently, I tried one of their techniques on my Peace Lily, and the results genuinely surprised me. The plant recovered more quickly, its leaves became upright again, and they turned greener in just a short time. Today, I'll share this simple recipe using common kitchen ingredients that almost everyone already has at home. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss any simple and practical plant care tips. Let's get started. Do you have an onion at home? Onions are not only a common ingredient in everyday cooking and an essential kitchen staple, but they can also be surprisingly useful for plant care. Prepare one onion like this. The first thing we need to do is gently peel off the dry outer skin. Most people simply throw these onion skins into the trash without realizing that they can actually be put to good use for caring for houseplants. Onion skins contain a variety of natural plant compounds, along with antioxidants and trace minerals. In particular, the sulfur compounds and flavonoids found in the outer skin are often used by home gardeners to make simple, inexpensive plant care solutions. If you regularly grow indoor plants such as Phalaenopsis Orchids, Pothos, Peace Lilies, or Zamioculcas plants, don't throw away those onion skins. Next, prepare a clean glass container. Use scissors to cut the onion skins into thin, small pieces. Cutting them into smaller pieces increases the surface area, allowing the natural compounds to infuse into the water more efficiently during soaking and producing a more effective solution for plant care. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then add 500 milliliters of hot water to extract the beneficial compounds from the onion skins. Then, stir the solution thoroughly. Stirring the solution thoroughly helps all the ingredients dissolve completely and distribute evenly throughout the liquid, preventing sediment from settling at the bottom or creating uneven concentrations during use. Finally, cover the container and let the solution steep for 1 hour. After being used for some time, the soil in a flower pot gradually becomes compacted and loses nutrients. Today, I'd like to share a simple way to improve your potting soil using a common ingredient that almost every household already has. Do you regularly use eggs? After using them, what do you usually do with the eggshells? Most people throw them away without realizing that they are actually a valuable natural source of minerals for indoor plants. Eggshells are rich in calcium, along with several naturally occurring trace minerals. When prepared and used properly, they can help improve soil quality and create a healthier environment for root growth. First, rinse the eggshells thoroughly under clean running water. This removes any remaining egg white, yolk, and surface impurities. As a result, the shells stay cleaner, produce less odor during storage and use, and are much easier to grind later. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once clean, dry the eggshells under direct sunlight until they are completely dry. Drying removes excess moisture, helps prevent mold and unpleasant odors, and makes the shells much more brittle, allowing them to be ground into a fine powder more easily. Once the shells are completely dry, place 3 to 5 eggshells into a blender. Grind them until they become a fine powder, like the one shown in the video. Grinding the shells into a fine powder allows them to mix more evenly with soil or potting mix. Once added to the pot, the natural minerals are gradually released over time, helping improve soil quality and creating a healthier environment around the roots. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. After grinding, use a small spoon to sprinkle a moderate amount evenly around the base of the plant. This can be applied to many indoor plants, including Peace Lilies, snake plants, Zamioculcas plants, and many other foliage plants. Then gently loosen the top layer of soil to mix the eggshell powder into the growing medium. Over time, the powder gradually breaks down, adding minerals to the soil and creating more favorable conditions around the root zone. Simple, isn't it? If you find this gardening tip helpful, leave a comment below and let Great Garden know what you think. And if you have any questions about caring for indoor plants or would like to share your own gardening experience, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Great Garden reads every comment and will do its best to reply as soon as possible. After about 1 hour, once the onion solution has cooled completely, strain it through a fine sieve to remove all of the onion pieces, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid contains natural compounds extracted from the onion skins. When used properly, it may help support a healthier environment around the root zone, reduce the growth of certain fungi, and create more favorable conditions for plants during recovery and active growth. Add 1 liter of room temperature clean water to dilute the solution. That's it, the solution is now ready to use. Method 1. Dip a clean, soft cotton pad into the prepared onion solution, then gently wipe each leaf of your Peace Lily. Use light, gentle strokes to avoid damaging the protective surface of the leaves. Wipe each leaf slowly so the solution is distributed evenly, helping remove accumulated dust while leaving the leaf surface cleaner and better ventilated. Cleaning the leaves this way not only makes the plant look fresher, but also helps the leaves receive light more effectively, supporting photosynthesis, especially for indoor plants that receive limited natural light. If you're having any difficulties while taking care of your plants, feel free to share your plant's condition in the comments so we can find the right solution together. Besides Peace Lilies, you can use the same leaf cleaning method on snake plants. Snake plants have thick, upright leaves that easily collect dust indoors. As dust accumulates, it can reduce the efficiency of gas exchange on the leaf surface. Regularly wiping the leaves helps keep them cleaner, improves airflow around the leaf surface, and keeps the plant looking healthy and attractive. Method 2. Fill a watering can with a moderate amount of the solution, then gently water around the base of your peace lily. Apply the solution evenly around the root zone instead of pouring it into one spot, allowing it to soak naturally into the growing medium. Using the onion skin solution this way helps maintain consistent moisture around the roots while supporting a healthier root zone environment. When used appropriately, this solution may help discourage the development of certain soil-borne fungi and support the plant's recovery after repotting or periods of stress. However, use it in moderation and avoid watering too frequently, as keeping the growing medium wet for extended periods can reduce root aeration. For best results, combine this with your regular watering routine and always check the soil moisture before watering again to keep the plant growing steadily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Method 3. Pour some of the prepared solution into a spray bottle and lightly mist the entire peace lily, including both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. Hold the sprayer at a moderate distance so the solution forms a fine mist rather than large droplets that remain on the leaves. This light mist helps remove fine dust from the leaf surface, improving air exchange and allowing the leaves to function more efficiently. In indoor environments with low humidity or limited airflow, proper misting can also help maintain gentle surface moisture, creating more favorable growing conditions. However, avoid overusing this method. Apply only a light mist and allow the leaves to dry naturally. Do not leave water sitting on the leaves for extended periods, as prolonged moisture may increase the risk of fungal problems. Results: after approximately 2 months of improving the soil and regularly using the support solution, the peace lily showed noticeable improvements. The plant became more vigorous, producing new leaves that were larger, greener, and thicker than before. Older leaves also gradually recovered, giving the entire plant a fuller, healthier appearance. Most importantly, as the growing conditions improved, the plant began producing flower buds and eventually bloomed with its signature white flowers. The blooms opened more evenly and looked healthier, adding fresh beauty and vitality to the entire plant. Overall, with proper care, the plant not only recovered, but also continued growing steadily, becoming stronger and preparing for its next flowering cycle. What do you think about this plant care method? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Great Garden, and leave a comment to support us. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.